Hello guys, my name is Ashok and welcome to the part 3 series of palm reading. So today we'll talk about skin texture. We already covered how flexibility of hand and the color of skin can say so many things about the personality of an individual. So today we are going to discuss about how skin texture can say so many things about someone. So skin texture is one of the fastest ways to read a person's character in their hand. So your skin forms a barrier between your inner body and the environment. It also gives a very important information about your preferred lifestyle and work conditions. So skin texture has been divided into three categories. That is the coarse texture, medium texture, and fine textures. So please have a look on the screen. I'll share and so that you can compare it with your own hand. So what is coarse texture? So coarse textures have well developed ridges. Like you can see the image how well developed the ridges are, and you can also compare it with your own hand. So people who has coarse texture in their hand has well developed motor skills. So now what are motor skills? So motor skills are skills which requires so much of muscle power. So for example, swimming, running, so these kind of people are very insensitive to details, but they are very good in physical activities. So such people such people should take sports athletics as their career. So how you will know that you have coarse skin texture? So it's a very there is a very easy way of doing that. Just put a just take a fingerprint of your hand, and if the fingerprint comes very clear, then probably you have a coarse texture. So this type of skin this type of skin texture people are very insensitive to details, and they don't go and act through their impulses. So you can see these kind of skin textures in daily labor and people who undertake so many physical activities. So the next texture is medium texture. So these texture have medium ridges in their hand. So they require these people have both motor and sensory skills. So this is the ideal skin texture. So how you will know that you have a medium texture skin? So just take a fingerprint, and if it comes a bit gray, so you have a medium texture. So these kind of people have both the balance of physical energy and sensory skills. And what are these sensory skills? Sensory skills are mainly derived by your senses. They are very sensitive to details. They are very sensitive to intricate things. They are very sensitive to feelings, emotions, and everything. So these kind of people have both physical energy and has emotions as well. So you can see leaders with these kind of skins. So the next is the fine texture. So now what is the fine texture? So fine texture has well developed sensory skills, but they have a weak physical energy. So they are very emotional people. They are very sensitive to details, and if you look at their hands, and if you touch it, it will feel like you're touching a velvet. Their skin is very shiny. So it's also said that the finer the skin, the finer is the mind. That means very much sensitive to details. So these guys, and how you will know that you have a fine texture skin? Just take a fingerprint, and if it comes very dark as shown in the image, so most probably you have fine texture. So these kind of people are very sensitive to detail. They have a well developed senses, but they are physically weak. So psychiatrists, priests, consultants, so artists who are very emotional, so can be seen with this skin. So guys, let's sum up the videos. The first video, the second video, and the third video what we did previously. So the first video was of the flexibility of hand, the second was of the skin color, and the third was of the skin texture. So suppose, just have a look on the screen. So suppose someone has a stiff and thick hand and with red skin palm. So and he also has a coarse texture. So now what is stiff and thick hand? So stiff and thick hand is someone who is very stubborn, who doesn't accept their mistakes, and people with you can say with non-rigidness in their nature. So what is red skin palm people? So red skin palm people have they are insensitive and they are very irritable. They get irritated very fast. They are hot tempered. And what is coarse skin? So coarse skin skin texture people are insensitive to details. They are more driven with the physical energy. They have well developed motor skills. So now if we combine all the three, so how can we interpret it? So we can say that a person who doesn't have feelings for anyone, a person who is not sensitive to details but gets angry very very fast, they don't understand others. If we sum up all the three, so this is the conclusion what we get. So it's up to you how you combine the other, you can replace the coarse texture with the finer texture, with the medium texture, or red skin with the yellow skin, and make a prediction of your own. So it won't be that easy, but with a regular practice it can be done. So guys, we'll also talk about fingerprints today. So there are mainly 6 types of fingerprints. The first is the arch, second is loop, third is tented, fourth is roll, 5 is double loop, and 6 is peacock's eye. So they are elements, they fall in the elements, 4 elements, that is earth, water, fire and air. Arch is ruled by earth, loop is ruled by water, tented is ruled by fire, roll is ruled by air, and double loop is by water, and peacock's eye is ruled both by water and air. So guys, if you have many arches, you are supportive, reliable, dependable, serious minded, and a home loving person. And if you have so many loops in your fingers, then you are adaptable, emotional, imaginative and responsive. And also you need to merge with the group, because staying in groups makes you happy. Loops are also very common in the fingerprints. So if we talk about tented arch, so if you have so many tented arch in your fingers, like you are very enthusiastic, restless and intense, you often need quiet retreats to nature. So the next is hold. So if you have many roles, you are the tree that stands in the desert, independent, original and individualist. You observe, analyze and work best alone. So you should give time to yourself. So the next is double loop. So if you have double loop, you may experience a lot of emotional turmoil and conflict, inner conflict. You are a judicial thinker and a diplomat who dislikes bias and prejudice. You are highly sensitive and intuitive. So if you have peacock's eye as a fingerprint in your fingers, it shows good luck and good fortune to the bearer. And owners who have discerning eye to design and has a flair of art, and has a high degree of observation power and a developed sense of self-preservation. So please cross check with the images I'll share. So these together can be summed up to give a prediction. So guys, in the next video we'll talk about fingers and the size of the fingers and finger settings and how it can be used to give a prediction. So please stay tuned, and if you want personal guidance or personal interpretation of your hand, please check the email below and you can mail me there. And if you find my videos useful, then please share with your friends. Thank you.